Hey friend, hey, Brittany Chanel back with another Boxy Charm unboxing. This time we're going to go ahead and look at the premium Tarte Takeover, and if I created this with this, so keep on watching.
Baby, I want this. I want this to last forever.
First out of the box, we have, wait, let me see. I have variation C2210205-PM, okay? And we don't know what that means. But first out of the box is the Sunshine Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. Very, very pretty palette. It does have a mirror. This is what she looks like. Yes, I feel like this is perfect for fall. I clearly created something fall-esque with this palette. Very, very cute. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. Next up, we have the Double Take Awake Brightener. So it's like a dual matte liquid liner and brightener. I use it in my inner eyes and in the in my waterline sheath. And for my liner today, it is a felt tip liner. It's a felt tip liner, and then the brightener is like this. It's like a milky situation. That retails for $25. Next, y'all, this Maracuja, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly or what, but this lip balm is going in my purse right now. This is going to be my everyday lip balm. It's like so juicy, and I guess it's called Juicy, isn't it? Yeah, it's the Maracuja Juicy Lip. Y'all, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Get you one. Moist, give, yes. And that retails for $21. Next, we have the, what is this? The Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. And this smells just like the sea. Like, Ariel found this under the sea. It smells so good, and it went on so smooth. Whew, it really smells like the sea. I couldn't stop smelling it when I first put it on my face. Like, this was worth the box to me. So good. Mwah. Now, why none of y'all never told me about this mascara? Now, y'all know I'm a Falsies type of chick, but this light camera Falsies, this really did something to my lashes. Most of the time, it does absolutely nothing. It has a very nice applicator. Went on very smooth, not clumpy at all. 9 out of 10. Y'all, I've been sleeping on Tarte. I've been sleeping on them. This retails for $24 as well. And then the last thing I got in my box was the Awake by Tarte Sunshine Stick. So you can put this on like without makeup just to brighten the under eye. You can also put this on before you apply makeup to brighten the under eye. I love the packaging. Yeah, I'm a sucker for packaging. Packaging really be getting me. I'm almost out of the Tula Brightener one, so which I got in the box like a year ago. So this is a win for me as well. If you want to see how I apply, wait, let's see what this retails for. Altogether, this box retails for $164, so definitely worth the money. Go get you one. Link in bio. If you want to see how I created this face, go ahead and keep on watching for the demo. So I got the lip balm in the shade Rose, and y'all, it is juicy and smells absolutely delicious. Very creamy. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this Awake Sunshine Stick because I love a bright eye underneath my makeup and I want it to be bright. And it has like a bit of a cooling, effect to it. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, so good. It smells like the sea. And you know I need to moisturize before I go into my foundation. Smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. I can't stop smelling it. Starting with the shade Charming, putting that all into my crease. Next, going into Enchanted to blend that out. I can't decide between the shimmers. They're all so pretty. I think I'm gonna use this one as a highlight and pop this one all over the lid. Y'all, these shimmers are buttery smooth. These shimmers are literally buttery smooth, and I love how they have a mirror in the palette. It's a perfect like travel palette. I'm gagging at the packaging. Why have I never? I need this in my life. Look at that wand. So nice. This is literally like the perfect wand. I love a wand that's not too fluffy. I want it to be more lengthening, I would say, than fluffy. I love a felt tip liner. And this is so black. Gliding over my mole. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Brilliant as a highlighter. Yeah, it's giving. Yeah. Hurry up and subscribe. Go ahead. Link in bio. Yeah.
Find someone like you. Yeah. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like